Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Hairstyle Indo, the channel that inspires you to find out the latest hairstyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to support our channel. Thank you. In this video, we will share with you the top hair trends for spring 2023. We are excited to discuss these trends and give you some tips and tricks to help you achieve these fabulous looks. This season, we are seeing a variety of styles ranging from natural textures to bold colors and fun accessories. Whether you are looking for a subtle change or a dramatic transformation, we've got you covered. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into the hottest hair trends for spring 2023. Number 1. Long layers. Long layers are a classic style that have been around for years, but they're making a comeback this spring. The beauty of long layers is that they work well on almost any hair texture. They create movement and volume while adding shape to your hair. If you have straight hair, long layers can help to create a more dynamic look. If you have curly hair, they can help to define your curls and create more bounce. They also help to create a softer, more feminine look. Number 2. Natural texture. This spring, we're seeing a trend towards embracing natural textures. Whether you have curls, waves, or straight hair, there's a style that will work for you. The key is to work with your hair's natural texture, rather than trying to fight against it. This will help to create a low-maintenance style that looks effortless and chic. To enhance your natural texture, you can use products like sea salt spray or curl cream. These will help to define your curls or waves and add texture to your hair. If you have straight hair, you can use a texturizing spray to create a tousled look. The goal is to create a natural, lived-in look that doesn't require a lot of styling. Number 3. Bold colors. Bold colors are a popular trend this spring, with shades like pastel pink, lavender, and blue being particularly popular. These colors can be added as highlights or all-over color, depending on your preference. They can also be customized to suit your skin tone and personal style. If you're not ready to commit to a permanent color, you can try out temporary hair color sprays or chalks to experiment with different shades. These are great for trying out a new color without making a long-term commitment. You can also try out a balayage or ombre technique, where the color is blended into your hair for a more natural look. Number 4. Accessories. Hair accessories are a must-have trend for spring 2023. From statement headbands to barrettes and hairpins, there are so many options to choose from. These accessories can be used to add a pop of color or sparkle to your hair, or to create a statement hairstyle. They also work well with almost any hair length or texture, making them a versatile trend to try out. If you're looking for a more subtle accessory, you can try out a silk scarf or ribbon. These can be tied around your ponytail or bun for a chic look. If you're looking for something more statement-making, try out a jeweled headband or oversized hair clip. Check out the descriptions below for links to our top picks. Number 5. Bob with bangs. The bob with bangs is a classic style that's making a comeback this spring. This cut features a chin-length bob with blunt ends and a straight fringe. It's a versatile style that works well on almost any face shape and hair texture. The bangs help to frame your face and add a touch of sophistication to your look. To achieve this style, your hairstylist will cut your hair to chin length and add in blunt ends. The bangs will be cut straight across, just above your eyebrows. This style looks great with both straight and curly hair. It's a low-maintenance style that's perfect for spring. So there you have it, the top hair trends for spring 2023. Whether you prefer long layers, natural textures, bold colors, accessories, or a bob with bangs, there's a trend for everyone. Remember to choose a style that works for your face shape, hair texture, and personal style, and don't be afraid to experiment with different looks. With these trends, you're sure to make a statement this spring. Now book an appointment with your hairstylist and let's make 2023 the year of amazing hair. Thanks for watching, ladies, and see you on the next video.